First of all, thank you for letting me come here. It's always great to be here. Always hard to follow Asmat, though, because all of a sudden I'm a deal maker and nothing else. Anyways, coming back to what I'm here to talk about. I'm Linus Dahg. I'm from Wellington Partners. We're a pan-European VC fund based here in London, originated out of Munich in Germany. Have a particular focus on doing things in Germany still and German-speaking countries, the Nordics and the UK. I'm officially also the office Scandi, being from Sweden myself. So yet another one who's sort of moved here and trying to see what London has to offer. What we do is that we focus on software and digital media only. We used to do hardware, clean tech, and stuff like that as well, but that is not part of the core focus anymore. So to seed Series A, so early stage deals, anything from 100K, a couple of 100Ks, up to a couple of millions. And what we try to do, like so many else as well, is basically try to help companies move to the US to some extent. We really believe that a lot of companies, if they want to become really big, need to have some sort of presence over there. They need to have some sort of commercial partners and help with recruitments and so on. And we think and hope we can help out with that as well. So this whole pitch is also about being personal. So I was asked about that a little bit as well. So I try to think about what actually makes me tick on a personal level. I've sort of come up with the fact that I think it's something that I would like to call an unfair competitive advantage, which could be a lot of things. It could be anything from you know what a market is doing, where it's going, about trends, and you can foresee them in some fashion or one way or another. But it could also be, and I usually try to see more from a team point of view, where it's people that either have experience, a passion, sometimes even obsession about something. Because one thing is for certain, these businesses take a long time to build. Therefore, you need to be really, really passionate, you need to know things, and especially know what you don't know. And from that end, I think knowing as entrepreneurs, knowing your own weaknesses as well is something that's super important, and know how to complement your weaknesses with people that have other skills. So how do we sort of position ourselves? How do we try to track companies that have these unfair competitive advantage? Well, I think it's super important to know what we are as investors. And I'm hoping that we try to live up to it as much as we can. If nothing else, I think you should definitely ask our portfolio companies. They're probably the best people to talk with if you want to know how we are, how we work with companies, both when things are going up and down. But we try to be a service, a support organization for the companies that we invest in. I mean, just like you guys, we're out raising money ourselves, but we do it from LPs instead. We raise money from them that we invest in companies. If we are not successful, we will not be able to invest in any more companies either. We'll be out of business, basically. So from that end, I would say we try to support our companies by helping anything from recruitments to finding different strategies for internationalization, and basically anything that the company needs, we'll try to help them to the best of our knowledge. That's basically what we think is the right way to see it. I mean, you can come across people in this industry that are not super humble and know and think they're rock stars. I think the real rock stars are the entrepreneurs, because without great entrepreneurs, we're absolutely nothing.